So it's officially summer now, and in the before time we used to go to the beach every summer. But of course, since the pandemic, the beaches were closed, and even though they're open again, we wouldn't go. So in 2020, we had a 10-foot rectangular pool. Then in 2021, we got the 12-foot round Summer Waves pool. So here we are in 2022, and we're still staying home, staying safe. So we're going to have our 12-foot Summer Waves pool up again. Now, I couldn't fit it back in the box last season, but I put the filter in the box and the pool I put in a blue big container thing. So I brought that up from the basement. So yeah, so we're going to try to put up the pool tomorrow. I'm really nervous. I've been waiting for just the right time. I mean, it is officially summer now. It's very hot. It's like over 30 degrees. It feels like 40 degrees. It was supposed to be a thunderstorm today, and it's bright and sunny, but they're showing nice day tomorrow, next day, like all weekend, so I figured it's a good time, so we're going to try to put it up. But we're a little nervous because this year we haven't been going out much at all. So Michelle's a little bit apprehensive, even in the backyard, because most people don't worry about outdoors, but even outdoors, if people are nearby, you might worry about breathing it. But to me, they're far enough away. But Michelle would rather not go in the pool when there are people out in their backyard. And I'm going to try to move it over a little bit. I looked, though, it's got to be on level ground. So a lot of the yard is on a slope, so I can't put it too far to the left, and I can't put it too far like in the middle because then it goes down. So anyway, long story short, too late. Where I had it last year, I'm probably just going to move it over a little bit so that it's just a little bit further away from the neighbors, but we just basically probably won't go in the pool if the neighbors are in their yard, so hopefully they stay away and we can enjoy our pool again. So you excited, baby? Yeah. Are you nervous though? Yeah. But anyways, I blew up the dolphin again, so you'll have Dolphy. And we've got our rainbow wrap. I don't think I'm going to bother with the angel wings this year. They're just too big. They're just, it's okay. They're huge. They take up the whole pool. So I don't think I'm going to bother with that. And I'm not going to bother with having the chairs and lounging. Like, we'll just go in the pool, swim, and then go back in. Oh, one thing I did get, I got this cute little flamingo chlorine dispenser because I figured we have them in the pool with us all the time. They might as well be cute. We've got a duck one, and we had just a plain blue one. So I'll just have the duck and the flamingo, and then if it needs more chlorine, maybe I'll even have the 3 of them because I want to make sure I've got enough chlorine. And I got a new tarp because the other one, well, it was frankly disgusting. It was all muddy and it was too big anyway. It was 12 by 16, so it had some extra feet on the side, and that part, like, just the grass was all dead and it got all muddy, and I'd rather just have it like just enough to cover the pool. So this is a 12-foot square one, so that'll just cover enough space. And so yeah, we're gonna put the pool up tomorrow, so I'll walk you through it again. I couldn't find the instructions, but I have my own video to watch to remind me how to do this, so hopefully I know what I'm doing now, but I'm still very nervous. But anyway, yeah, so we'll be doing that tomorrow. Bye for now. Bye.
Okay, this is... Okay, I'm gonna go retrieve my dolly. You know what? I can't even see, so it's gonna be impossible to get this. Okay, I'm just gonna like swim over. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Nine.
Ali, I almost forgot about you. We don't want to forget you when we go in. I almost forgot you were out here. You're sleeping all that time. What do you think? We got our pool up again. What do you think? Yeah. Okay, you want in, Ali? Okay, good girl.
Okay, so last year I got this inflatable dolphin. Now, I spent many days, or some might say even weeks or months, to train how to sit properly on this dolphin. Now after a year, I still remember how.
Cute. Can you wave?
One way too much, you push this down, and then this down to that. I remember it.